I just pasted the link of a single video here, and guess what? I got many viral clips from it, which could potentially get millions of views. It can even identify different sections of the video based on your prompt and create clips from them. Isn't that amazing? A simple and fast AI video editor, yet almost complete and professional. That's everything I can say about the platform I want to introduce to you today. It can take your footage and prepare it for uploading in no time. This is exactly everything you need to create short videos, podcasts, reviews, and all other types of content, whether it's for YouTube, Instagram, TikTok, or anything else. If you're a content creator earning money from your work, you already know how crucial time and speed are in this field. By using professional and efficient tools, you can produce higher quality content in a timely manner, which directly impacts your earnings and can significantly increase them. The website we're exploring today uses artificial intelligence to handle time-consuming and technical editing processes for you with minimal effort, and you don't need any special expertise to use it. Unlike other tools I've worked with, this one is surprisingly professional and gives you the flexibility to customize your content easily. Its output quality is excellent, and overall, it's a real lifesaver. Let's dive in together, take a look at it, and test some of its features. You can click the link in the description to visit the website and sign up using your email. After you enter the workspace, you can either use a video link or upload it or even record a new one. I'm going to provide a link to a long YouTube video to see what it does. This is a video from Cristiano Ronaldo's YouTube channel where Mr. Beast is interviewing him. Once the video is uploaded, it's time to set the video resolution. Usually 1080p is enough, but higher resolutions will definitely deliver better results. Then you can specify its language and turn the AI clips option. On the next page, inside the Viral Shorts tab, you'll find several settings which can also be adjusted later. The aspect ratio can be set to 9:16, 1:1, or even both. The duration of each clip can either be automatically adjusted by AI or customized by you. You can enable the add emoji and highlight keywords options to make your clip more visually appealing and impactful. There are also some great and engaging templates available to choose from, or you can even create your own template. However, in my opinion, it's better to leave all these settings for the next step. The Spark feature is also accessible here, which we will test separately later on. See, it's that simple. With just a few clicks, it created 22 viral clips from a single link for us. I think it's amazing.
Yeah.
When you think you're gonna retire it of this?
Never.
You can now review and edit the clips you've created. When you select a clip, you'll see all its details. On the right, the viral score shows how successful the clip could be. You'll also find the full transcript of the clip here. If you're happy with it, you can download it. If not, just click Edit to open Vizard's professional video editor. Here, you'll have access to all the essential tools you need for video editing. Additionally, there are AI-powered tools available that can automatically add B-roll and emojis for you, emphasize subtitles, and remove silence. In the transcript section, you can see the entire text. You can bring back the deleted parts or remove sections you don't need. In the template section, you'll find many options to make your clip more attractive. You can test them and choose one based on your video content and personal taste. The next section is subtitles, which are completely under your control, and you can make any changes you need. You can change the colors or add emojis to it. In the next section, you can add text to your clip and fully customize it. The media section is for adding any relevant videos or images you have or have downloaded, which I think is one of the most interesting and useful features of Vizard. The final section is about your brand specifics, which help make your content unique. In the background section, as the name suggests, you can change the background image. In my opinion, the clips are usually great just the way the Wizard creates them, and they hardly need any adjustments. On the next page, after each clip is fully exported, you can either publish it directly or download it. The previous viral clips feature only analyzed and picked clips based on the spoken content in the video. This means the earlier algorithm was more suitable for interviews, documentaries, or podcast-style content. Starting from Spark 1.0, Vizard can analyze content and edit based on visuals, sounds beyond speech, and the emotions reflected in various aspects of the video. It can also find clips according to your requirements. Now, Vizard's algorithm is applicable to all video formats. I took the link to a full documentary video from Netflix's official YouTube channel, and I want to extract the parts related to polar bears walking as separate clips. After completing the initial steps and providing the video to the wizard, you need to tell the AI what you want to do with the video. Here, there are sample options that you can use to isolate specific parts of the video without even watching or reviewing it. You can even write exactly what you want, and rest assured it will understand what you're asking for. Then choose the clip's duration and click the Get AI Clips button. As you can see, it has precisely identified the sections we wanted and separated them for us. At this point, the videos are almost ready, and you can continue editing them in any way you want before publishing. You can change the aspect ratio, or you can trim the clips. Through the edit option, you'll have access to many new tools to make changes to the clip. This tool allows you to add subtitles and text to your video, or many other things that I have explained in more detail in the previous section where we tested them. Finally, you can use Vizard to upload it directly to Instagram, Facebook, TikTok, etc. Or if you'd like, you can download it and use it however you want. It's clear that Vizard can increase the speed and quality of content production, resulting in higher revenue for you. In my opinion, if you want to work professionally and speed and quality in video creation matter to you, Vizard AI can be extremely helpful and beneficial for you. The website offers 3 plans: free, creator, and team. If you're a content creator, the creator plan could be a cost-effective option for you, especially with the annual plan, which offers a 47% discount. Don't forget, I put the link in the description, so be sure to check it out and give it a try. By the way, on our channel, you can find a lot of tutorials about creating animations and videos using AI. If you're interested in these tutorials, subscribe to stay updated with the latest videos. Until next time, stay creative.